Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIY, and today I'm showing you how to make this farmhouse fox window pane. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And when you see that bell, you hit that bell so you can get all my videos. Now let's get to it. So first I want to say I had no idea what I was doing when I started this DIY. All I knew is that I needed a poster board from Dollar Tree, a knife, a ruler, and a pencil. So what I did was trace a square, more like a rectangle, in a poster board and cut it out with a knife so I could get a very sharp inside edge. And I, really just made it the size of a regular window pane, how I thought a window pane was. So it was about a third of a poster board, as you see there. I took the thickest, what you call those, popsicle sticks, and kind of, measured how thick I wanted the border to be, which as you see me measuring it here, I have it next to it. And then I took the excess poster board and I just created strips. I took a nail file because of course it was 2 o'clock in the morning and I could not find my sandpaper. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm actually filing each piece of poster board that is going to be the strips inside of the poster board. So I'm filing each side so it's as smooth as possible, but not too smooth to where it doesn't appear to look like fake wood. And it really did come out amazing. Some of the pieces were off a little bit. I kind of eyeball a lot of my pieces, but this piece was very different for me. So hey guys, I really wanted to show you who I was inspired by. It's White Oak Shop on Instagram, and she had that beautiful window pane that you see here in the picture. So the nail file really definitely helps smooth things over. So once all the strips were completely cut, I just simply laid them down in the design that I wanted to create. So I wanted to really make a diamond shaped inside of the box so you could see before I started gluing them down. So here's the actual front side of the window pane. So hey guys, I have finished putting together the fox window pane, as you can see. Now I'm in the process of testing paint colors because I don't want it to be too brown and I don't want it to be too light either. So I have Territorial Beige and I have the yellow, light yellow acrylic paint. So I'm going to try those two, and I mixed them already together, and that's the brown color that I have right here. It's pretty close to what the picture looks like, and I'm just going to paint it brown first, let it dry overnight, and then see what it looks like, and then move on to the next step. So I created this beautiful wood nice color from the two colors that I showed you guys. And here I've painted over part of the board so I could see if it really matched the color I want. Once I painted at least 2 coats and I let it dry, actually 3, I went over it with light strokes of white and black just to give it that depth of that wood texture, and it came out amazing, guys. I added some greenery, and look, it's surely not too far from the original inspo picture that I showed you. And I decorated it with some greenery, hung it on a wall with some command strips, and it went beautiful in my little area in my dining room, and I loved it, guys. I loved it, loved it, loved it. I hope you did too. Thank you for watching. This is Nikki with Lifestyle DIY. Make sure you hit like, comment, and subscribe. And always stay believing in yourself, because anything can happen. And that's my positive point of action quote for this week. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And happy Mother's Day to you guys.